Good afternoon, I'm Hemant with Active Intelligence. Very warm welcome to Active Intelligence Dashboard Series tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with Active Intelligence Dashboard to create customized dashboard. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get started with Active Intelligence Dashboard, how to create different widgets like charts, maps, and tables, how to create multiple tabs within the same dashboard, how to create dashboard filters, and we will also learn how to create dynamic link to wire the widgets together so that all the link widgets get updated in real time. Finally, we are going to learn how to save and share dashboard with other users. To create new dashboard, log on to Active Intelligence server using your credentials. Once logged on to the server, select dashboard from the main menu and then select dashboard. Then click on create dashboard and give a name to your dashboard to start creating your very own customized dashboard. You will notice that on the top left corner, a new tab has been created called Default tab. The white blank area below the horizontal orange line is called Layout, which is your working area to create your new dashboard. We are going to add some widgets to this dashboard. We will first create chart widget. In order to add chart widget to the newly created dashboard, click on the widget icon on the floating bar and drag chart widget from the available list and drop it to the layout. In the charts configuration box, select column as your main chart type if it is not already selected, and clustered as your sub-chart type. Click Data Source tab and replace the name with Patient by Age Group under the name. This will be your widget name and can be updated at any time. Select the dataset as the source for your data if not already selected. Select the desired dataset from the available list of datasets. In this example, we will be using patient classification dataset. Move the selected dataset using the right arrow key to the selected box onto the right hand side. Move on to the Formatting tab and define the value for Y series and X series. Leave the default values for value Y series. Drag age group fill from the data columns and drop it under the category X series. Drag state or region fill from the data columns and drop it under optional Y series grouping. Next, click on value axis from the left menu bar and give a name to the title as number of patients. Hit submit button to apply the changes to the chart widget. To format the chart, click on configuration icon from the widget menu bar. The configuration bar will get active on hover to the top right corner of the widget. Change the chart subtype to stacked while in the chart configuration. Next, click on the Formatting tab and click on the legend from the left menu bar and uncheck the Enable checkbox to disable the legend. Hit Submit button to apply the changes to the chart widgets. Now we are going to learn how to create Maps widget. In order to create Map widget, drag and drop the Map widget to the layout. This can be anywhere in the highlighted gray area in the layout. Select the country maps from the left menu bar while in Maps configuration, and then select USA from the drop-down country list. Since we want to create USA map, click Data Source tab and update the widget name to Income by State. Select the dataset as the source for your data if not already selected. Select the desired dataset from the available list of dataset. In this example, we will be using income by state dataset. Move the selected dataset using the right arrow key to the selected box onto the right-hand side. Next, select the Formatting tab and select Data from the left menu bar. Drag State ID field from the data columns and drop it under Country. Select Total Charges field from the data columns and drop it under Value. Hit Submit button to apply the changes. We have all the required data for the map widget. Now we will learn on how to format the properties of the map. Click on Configuration icon from the widget menu bar. Next, click on Formatting and select Area Settings from the left menu bar and update the colors to match other widgets or colors of your choice. In this example, we are using the color to match with other widgets. It is always best practice to keep the consistency with colors and design while working with multiple widgets. Hit Submit button to apply the changes. Now we are going to learn how to create additional tabs in the existing dashboard. To create new tab, click on plus icon next to the default tab. Give a name to your new tab in the dashboard. We are going to call this tab as Clinical Details and hit Submit button to continue. Drag the table widget and drop it to the layout in your newly created dashboard tab. In the Configure Data, give a name as Clinical Table to the table widget. This can be updated anytime. Select the dataset as the source for your data if not already selected. Select the desired dataset from the available list of dataset. In this example, we will be using Healthcare dataset. Move the selected dataset using the right arrow key to the selected box onto the right-hand side. Hit Submit button to create the table widget. All the Active Intelligence table widgets comes with drill-down capability. Tables are interactive as well. You can shuffle the columns position and sort the columns in ascending or descending orders. Columns can be grouped together on the fly as well. You can always use Help menu by clicking the Help icon on the top right corner of the pop-up windows or by clicking the Help icon on the floating bar in the dashboard. Now we are going to learn how to create dashboard filter. To create filter, click on Filter icon from the floating bar. Filter widget will open. Provide the name to the filter. In this example, we are going to call this filter as State. Select List box from the drop-down list in the display type. Select Widgets as the source if not already selected. Available source widgets will have list of all the available widgets in the given dashboard. Source widgets are the widgets from which the value of the filter will be taken from. To select the source widget, just click on the available source widgets. In this case, we are going to select the very first widget we created called Patient by Age Group. All the available field for the selected widget will be available instantly in the selected source widget. Select the field from the selected source widget and move to the selected source column. This is the field from which the value for the filter will be taken. In this example, we will use State or Region field. Next, all the available widgets are visible in the Available Widgets to link. Select the widget from the list to link to the newly created state filter. Once the widgets are selected, move the desired field to the selected widget linked column box using the right arrow key. Hit Submit button to finish creating dashboard filter. Newly created filter will be available for immediate use. Please check the filter values. The filter can be edited at a later stage or can be deleted as well. To apply the filter, simply select the desired value from the drop-down list from the filter box and hit Apply to see the updated result instantly. Now we are going to learn how to create dynamic link. In order to create dynamic link, choose the source widget. Source widgets will work as your base filter widget from which you will link all the other widgets. From the widget menu options, select dynamic link icon. Select the desired field from the column using drop-down list. Select the desired widgets from the available widgets column and move them to the selected widget columns to the right-hand side. Select the appropriate field to which you would like to link your widget from. In this case, we want to use state or region field from both the widgets. Hit Submit button to finish creating dynamic link. To check if your newly created dynamic link is working properly, click on the part of the map and check if the results get updated accordingly. Notice that the results get updated in all the tabs within the same dashboard. You can use the Home button to deselect the dynamic link. Finally, to save dashboard, click on the Save button in the floating bar. Your newly saved dashboard is available immediately and can be accessed from Dashboard tab under Dashboard. If you would like to share your dashboard with other users, please follow the instructions. Click on the grid view from the floating bar. Please make sure you are in Dashboard to have the correct options in your floating bar. Select the desired dashboard which you would like to share by checking the box in the left-hand side. Select the share icon from the footer menu bar or use right-click options and select Share. The new share window will open up, which will have the name of the dashboard you are about to share. Select the roles and users you would like to share this dashboard with and move them to the selected box onto the right-hand side. Hit the Share button to share your dashboard. You will notice that the share icon next to the checkbox appears. This tells you that this particular dashboard has been shared. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this tutorial was informative. Please comment below or leave the feedback which will help us to create better tutorials in future. Connect with us using social channels to stay informed on updates. You can subscribe to our channel to see more help on Active Intelligence Server.